Hey, no, bad.
And trust me, with Ian, we get sick a lot.
Oh, really?
Weirdly enough, I hardly ever get sick.
You guys, how many times did you get sick last year? Too many.
Cold?
Or with anything?
Quite a few. Throwing up? Not very much. I almost never throw up.
This conversation's going somewhere.
Are you taping me, Jordan?
Maybe. I'm trying to put as many videos on YouTube as I can.
Why?
Wait, I'm going on YouTube? Jordan!
Only on my channel. Oh God.
There's all this stuff going on.
Run away.
Come up wherever you are.
Oh dear, Elena, stop.
I'm gonna go get a picture of the Exorcist.
I'm not scared of it anymore.
This.
I don't know, it's a remote. Ooh,
Cool.
Bible. Ooh, Bible. Elena's chasing me because I told her I was gonna go on YouTube. Oh, that's nice, lovely. Elena, what you do? It's her birthday yesterday, so say happy 17th to Elena. Happy 17th to Elena yesterday. Look, mom, my face, Elena. He's like,
I'm going down here now.
We make it up. Oh God.
Jordan.
I have that song in my head. I am sorry.
Heretics, get down with them, woman.
Chinese.
Alright. Alright,
At least aren't your sisters going to a college that...
Stay.
Doesn't mean they're in seminary.
But they do elect women pastors. You don't.
They do what now?
His college elects women